Hello followers and seekers. In this video, I am going to talk end-to-end about AIPP or Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program for permanent residency of Canada. I'll tell you about what it is, the process, eligibility criteria, and all important things that you need to know. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Ritika Vasani from Winnie Immigration. So the Atlantic Immigration Pilot is a fast-track immigration program that allows employers in Canada's four Atlantic provinces, which is Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Newfoundland and Labrador, and Prince Edward Island, to hire foreign nationals for jobs they haven't been able to fill locally. This was introduced in 2017. The federal government and its provincial government partners aim to welcome more than thousands of newcomers and their families to the Atlantic Canada region by 2021 through this program, which is Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. The program also has the goals of supporting population growth, developing a skilled workforce, and increasing employment rates in these regions. So let's talk also about the eligibility criteria for this program. Employers can hire you through one of the three programs in the Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program, wherein you may be eligible for more than one, but you can apply through only one program. The first and the foremost is the Atlantic High Skill Program, which is AHSP. The second is the Atlantic Intermediate Skill Program, which is AISP. And the third is the Atlantic International Graduate Program, which is AIGP. That's for international student graduates. So now there are different factors related to the requirements of these different programs. Let's talk with the first one, which is Atlantic High Skill Program. So in Atlantic High Skill Program, you need to have at least 1 year of work experience and a job offer from a designated employer in skill NOC 0, skill type A or B. You also need to have your ECA report, that is Educational Credential Assessment, done, and also need to have your language proficiency test score ready. Talking about the second, which is Atlantic Intermediate Skill Program. Now, this program also requires a job offer from a designated employer, either in NOC 0, NOC A, NOC B, or NOC C, and having 1 year of experience in any of these provinces. Now, also regarding the ECA, that's Educational Credential Assessment and Language Proficiency, again, it needs to be done and similar like that of the high skill program. We also saw a third program, which is Atlantic International Graduate Program. So this is for those candidates who have just graduated or have a degree or diploma from a publicly funded learning institution in one of the Atlantic region, obtained within the 12 months before the submission of application for permanent residence. The most important is that it does not require any levels of skilled work experience, which we saw in the other two, but a job offer from a designated employer in NOC 0, NOC A, NOC B, or NOC C. Also, it's most important to note that the settlement funds or proof of funds under AIPP program completely varies on your family size. For instance, for a single individual, it would be in the range almost $3,240, and for a family of four, it would be $6,021. So which means the range would be around from $3,200 to $6,000 from a family size of single individual to a family size of 4 people. Also, secondly, the provincial endorsement or letter of endorsement from the province and the settlement plan is also a must to proceed in this program. After the candidate receives an offer letter from a designated employer, applicants under the Atlantic Immigration Pilot need to get a settlement plan. This plan will also help you to settle in Canada, give you resources and links to you and your family needs, also guides you as to where to get the help from the community. So all these plans are completely free of cost. Moving and discussing about the provincial endorsement. So once you have a settlement plan, the province endorses the job offer, and this is again taken care of by the employer. So the employer will fill out and submit an endorsement application to the province along with a copy of your settlement plan. Once a candidate receives the job offer, the settlement plan, and the provincial endorsement, a candidate can then apply for a permanent residency. So this is all the information that you need to know about the AIPP or Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program. And I really hope that this has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos for yourself or for your friends as well. You can ask them to subscribe. Thank you so much.